What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to increase spending limit on Atome. So, you might be wondering how to exactly increase your spending limit here. Well, there are a few things that you may need to do. So first things first is you want to grab your phone, open the Atome app, and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Now once you're in the app, look towards the top right corner. You'll see either a profile icon or a menu button. Tap on it to open the main menu. Sometimes, depending on the version, it might be at the bottom right of your screen, but in this case, just press on it. Now, inside the menu here, you want to look for an option that says spending limit or credit limit. This might be listed under something like account settings or just settings. It can actually vary here. Now, once you've actually tap on it, you'll see your current limit and whether or not you're eligible to request an increase. If you are, there will be a button like request limit increase. But in this case, this is going to be situational depending on your account. Now, tap on that request button, but at this point, you might need to provide some additional info like updating your profile, verifying your income, and linking a bank account here. So just follow the prompts. Now, once you submit everything, Atome will review your request, and most of the time, you'll get an answer within a few minutes. But in some cases, it might take up to 48 hours. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.